What's up, guys? 1/4 of the Time family back again with another food review. Today we are trying the hot cocoa Oreo Blizzard here at DQ. And let's get some of the cream and we are going to try it. Alright, so you obviously got the Oreo crisps and then the whipped cream at the top, and then the hot cocoa flavor of the marshmallow milk chocolate kicks in.
Ooh, marshmallow.
It might be marshmallow, I can't really tell. Yeah, it must be like the whipped cream must like stand for marshmallow or something. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. It's just maybe 9 out of 10. It's just so great, crispy, and it's creamy. Like this is like the best treat you can get for a night like this.